Hey, welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is a fun video. It is a New Year's Eve cocktail and drink recipe collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Jessica from Jessica Myrose on YouTube. I am so excited to do this collaboration. There are several other YouTube creators who are creating drinks and punches and cocktails for you as a fun way to celebrate and bring in your New Year's Eve. For our New Year's Eve drink, we will be making lemon drop. These lemon drops are not your traditional lemon drop martini. They're a little bit different. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some sugar. You'll need Patron Silver. You'll need lemon, some type of shaker glass. The lid fits on tight. You'll need ice, which I don't have out. You'll need a lemon squeezer or a juicer if you have one of those. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera there. And then you're also gonna need a martini glass. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna make what's called simple syrup. It's 1 part sugar, 1 part water. And you bring it up to temperature, to a boil, until all of the sugar is dissolved, and then you let it cool down. On my stove, I have the a third a cup of sugar and a third a cup of water. We won't nearly need that much, but just I'll have it on stock. I'm gonna turn this on high so that the temperature comes up to a boil and the sugar dissolves. While we're waiting on our simple syrup to cool off, we can get the other ingredients ready. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll your lemons. They say that makes them produce more liquid. I think I picked the dullest knife that I had. We're gonna get our lemon juice made. I just got me a little bowl. I'm gonna squeeze it in here. And I'm looking for 1.5 tablespoons worth of juice. So depending on your lemon, that could be 1 lemon, it could be half a lemon. I'm thinking that's pretty close, but let's just measure to make sure. So I have this measuring cup and it also has ounces, and we're looking for 0.75 ounces of lemon juice. We're gonna set that to the side. That's all done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this in half or a quarter it off or something. And I'm gonna use the juice from this lemon to wet the outside of my martini glass. And then I'm going to stick my martini glass in my sugar bowl. They have actual bowls that you do this in. I just don't have one, and I forgot to pick up one when I was at the store. And then your martini glass comes out looking like that. All right, I have another small measuring cup, and I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of Patron Silver. What we're gonna do next is we're going to fill up our shaker with ice. All right, we have our ice. We're gonna add our lemon juice. We're gonna add our Patron. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our simple syrup that was chilling. We're gonna put the lid on super duper tight. We're gonna make sure that it's shut. All right, we better give this one a try. Delicious. You can taste a little bit of the tequila, but it's not really strong. I have a lot of lemon in mine, but that's how I like it. But that simple syrup takes off the tartness. It is delicious. As an adult, Patron is my favorite. So making lemon drop Patron martinis was wonderful. Make sure that you drink responsibly and always have a designated driver. Happy New Year's. I'll see you next year. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next one.